Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. Welcome to my studio. I'm just going to show you this beautiful little pearl painting, and this is my pearl base coat, colorful pearl base coat that I'm using in kind of a fleshy pink color and quinacridone nickel gold. And this is a fun way to kind of just mix a couple different colors of base coat together and let them organically move around on the canvas. And then I'm going to layer some puddle paints on top. And this is an underpainting for a collaboration that I'm doing. And I'll talk more about that in a minute, but that is Gilded by TLP, one of my favorite golds. That's a Modern Masters iridescent pearl, a little bit of burgundy and quinacridone magenta. The burgundy is a TriArt color. And I'm just moving the puddle paints on the canvas, and we're going to see the pearl effect take place. Yeah, so this is going to be the first layer of this collaboration piece, which my friend Nicole Black, she's going to do the layered light flowers on top of this after it's dry. And it really makes for just a really beautiful way to, use fluid art as an underpainting. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. But yeah, we have fun working together, and it's just a neat little process. So I hope you enjoy it. Nicole and I are actually we both have retreats coming up this September. We're getting close, so mine's just around the corner. Hers is later this month. I hope you like this, and it's another way to use a fluid art or an abstract painting as an underpainting for something more leaning towards realism. It's really fun, and I hope you like this. And thank you for being here with me. Come join me on Patreon. Just being here, I'd love to hear your comments, your thoughts. I love to interact as much as I can with my students and my followers. So thank you for being here, and show you the wet results, and then we'll get on to Nicole's portion of the painting. I hope you love the end result. All right.